Hi, how are you everyone? Our client from Africa visited our factory on 20th October.
Bye.
After they visited our factory and had a meeting, then they placed an order, 140 feet for container. They have very strong confidence on our company and our product, and they will place new order soon.
We send the main part. In this case, you see here, gearbox already assembled on the handle. All those waiting for delivery. You see, gearbox. We make gearbox by ourselves. Very, very strong. We're never broken. And yeah, never broken. All those spare parts we produce by ourselves here. And the gearbox, you see,